Welcome to our guide on hiring house cleaning services near you. Discover essential tips to ensure your home is not just clean, but a sanctuary of health and relaxation. Firstly, identify your specific cleaning needs. Whether it's dusting, vacuuming, or a deep clean, knowing what you need helps tailor services to your lifestyle. It's crucial to research and compare different cleaning services. Look for reliability through reviews and ensure they meet your scheduling and cleaning standards. Ensure the cleaning service you choose is licensed and insured. This protects you and your property and verifies the company meets professional standards. Understanding pricing models is key. Whether it's an hourly rate or a flat fee, knowing what's included can help you avoid unexpected costs and ensure value. Read the service agreement carefully. Know the terms for cancellations and ensure there's a satisfaction guarantee to handle any concerns post-cleaning. Choosing Amenify means opting for a service with a proven track record. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with over 35,000 five-star ratings and comprehensive service options. Thank you for watching. Remember, the right cleaning service not only cleans your home, but enhances your overall well-being. Start enjoying a cleaner, healthier home today.